Children, the first value will be when we multiply by frequency by this d. 5 fours are, that is 5 multiplied by minus 4. 5 fours the minus 20, because minus sign is there. One value is minus, 4 is having a negative sign. Okay, so 10 into minus 3 is 10, 30. So 15 into minus 2, it will be minus 30 again. Then 20 into minus 1, it will be minus 20. 15 into 0, it will be 15. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, and 15 threes are, it will be coming 45. Now children, you can see some values are positive and some values are negative. So first we are going to add up the negative values on one side and positive values on the other side. By adding these values, we got 100. So 20 plus 30, that is 50. 50 plus 30, 80. 80 plus 20, it comes to be 100. Now calculating these, 35, okay, and 35 plus 45, it comes to be minus 75. Okay, now if we solve these, what will be the answer? It will be summation f d. It would come minus 25 with us. We are having minus 25 as answer now. Now what we have to do, children, it is summation fd we have calculated. In formula summation fd we want, it is calculated summation fd square. Now we have to total it up also. Now if I total f d square, it comes to be, its value is 435. Up till here it is clear, I guess. Now children, d was the deviation. Fine. Now we are having all the values, and n, we need to calculate n. So what is the value of n? N in discrete series is total of frequency. That means summation n, or summation f, you could say summation f, it comes to be 100. That means it is n over here. It is n over here, because in books it could be written as summation f, or n it could be given to you. So now putting all these values in our formula, we get sigma, अंडर रूट के नीचे है हमारा, आ फॉर्मूला इज समेशन एफ डी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय एन माइनस समेशन एफ डी अपॉन एन, and this is under a bracket, and whole this thing is under a root sign. Now putting the values, our value of summation fd square, it is 435, okay, divided by number of observations, or you could say कि total of frequency, it is 100, minus summation fd. Summation fd is minus 25, and again dividing it by 100 and squaring it. Now clear children up till here? Now solving it further, if I divide 435 by 100, my answer comes to be 4.35 minus, now solving this, I get minus 1 upon 4, and I have to square it. Okay children, I have to square this. Now further